I've been holding it down. Flat screen in the living room, I see about 7. 12 bedrooms in the master, I'm sexing. My girl long time, in the morning she break. What's up, YouTube? This your boy Mari, man. And as you can tell by the title, you already know what's going down. I'm finna finally try this Popeyes chicken sandwich that everybody been craving and fighting and killing each other over, man. Check it out. But first I want to say to my Grubhub dude that just delivered my stuff, forgot all my ketchup, my hot sauce, forgot my pop. I'm pissed off. But trash out the way. And I also got my little core water. Give me a little butter fry. How about fries? I didn't even know that. You know what I'm saying? And ketchup. Normally everybody been wanting, man. Just make a little plate. You know what I'm saying? Alright, look. Look at this, man. Look at this. They got some type of orange sauce. I thought it supposed to have mayo on there. It's like an orange sauce. Nice little thing of chicken on it, bruh. Only supposed to have pickles on it? I mean, look, y'all. There's nothing on this motherfucker. Just chicken and bread. Everybody had like pickles and shit. I'm already mad. It's not really bad. But it has no pickles, lettuce, mayo, nothing. It's got like this spicy sauce on this and bread. This what y'all fighting each other over? That shit? Yo, fuck out of here. I'm better off eating these motherfucking cold ass fries. But you know I'll keep me a backup. Chicken. Got me a little 3-piece with some taters. I never had mashed potatoes from Popeyes, but like you got a little, that's how they stuff look there. Nice dry biscuit. Crunchy as hell. I'm done with Popeyes. This is my last time eating Popeyes, I swear. This is my last time eating Popeyes, y'all. They've been doing me wrong lately. For real. Like the Popeyes here in my town, it's probably the worst Popeyes I've ever been to. Motherfuckers ratchet. They slow as hell. About a 2-piece. They take longer enough like you making a 20-piece. Bitch, I gotta go to work. But yeah, man, that's that chicken sandwich, I give it a 0 out of 5. I give it about a 3. Yeah, none of the shit that's supposed to come on there. Give it about 3. Thank y'all for stopping by, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, share. Spam them comments. Comment down below what y'all want to see next. What y'all want to see me do. Stay with me, y'all, man. Become our number one, number one supporters, man. Become our number one supporters, man. Share, like, subscribe, share it, like, subscribe. You know, comment. Let me know what y'all want to see. I love y'all and I appreciate y'all. Let's grow together. And I'm out, Marty the Great.